Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm here with another video and our ways to make money selling in 2024 videos. All right, let's get into it. As always, I'm going to use my POD framework, idea, research, platform, product, and design. The idea that we're going to talk about today is to create a line of custom design party supplies that includes but not limited to printed balloons, banners, and party favors. All right. Nothing. Everything's fine. I thought something was up here. Scare myself. But I'm going to keep that in the video. Create some fans for a baby shower or gender reveal. And the platform that I'm going to be using today is Zazzle. And I found these really cute fans. So they're like circle shape. And I can't wait to show you guys the design that I created for this. But they're like fans for party favors. It could be for weddings. You can put anything on these. These are super cute. All right, so I just decided to do like little babies on the background, and then on one put girl in the pink, and then the other put boy. If it's a wedding, you can have a picture of the couple on the fan with the wedding date, a little thank you, and that's like one of those memorable things that they can take home with them. But I created the design in Zazzle. And here is the final look at the fan. Party favors for a gender reveal. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm sorry for the loud yell in the middle of this recording, but I told you guys I am trying my best to get through all of these videos, no matter what happens, no matter if a slide doesn't show up, no matter if I scare myself in the middle of recording and I yell in your ears. I apologize, but we're going to get through this. We're almost at the end. And if you've ever done anything consistently for 31 days, you do understand how hard it is. So just bear with me. I hope my hilarious commentary and sense of humor on my outlook on things gets you to stay, because I am pretty authentic to who I am on my channel all the time. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.